decadent chocolate marble cookie with a touch of orange flavor, filled with Nutella, coconut, and hazelnut. Drizzle with dark and white chocolate for the perfect finish. Hello everyone, it's Molly from Molly's Home Cooking channel. Let's make this delicious marble Hamantaschen. For the dough, you will need 470 grams of all-purpose flour, half a tablespoon of baking powder, and quarter of a teaspoon of salt. In a standing mixer bowl, add 2 sticks of unsalted butter, room temperature, 3/4 cup of sugar, and zest from a whole orange. Make sure to get just the orange part. By adding the zest directly to the butter, it develops much stronger aroma and flavor, so it tastes and smells phenomenal. Continue mixing on a medium speed till it's fluffy. Add 2 eggs one at a time and mix till it's incorporated. Then add the second egg. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and the flour mixture to the butter and mix about 40 seconds just till you get wet crumbs that hold in your fingers. Don't overwork the dough. Transfer the dough to a clean wrap and cut it to half. Transfer half of the dough back to the bowl and the other half wrap and flatten it and chill it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or overnight. Sieve 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and mix it with the other half of the dough, just till it's incorporated. Remember, don't overmix the dough. Transfer the dough to a clean wrap and chill it as well for about 30 minutes. For the filling, use 1-to-1 ratio, half a cup of Nutella and half a cup of unsweetened shredded coconut flakes to get a thick paste to prevent leaking during baking. Same thing with the Nutella and the chopped hazelnuts. To create the marble effect, cut each dough to 4 pieces and roll each piece to a cylinder shape. It doesn't have to be precise. Arrange them side by side, alternating between the colors. Tie them together and fold to half. Twist from both sides, cut the dough to half and roll it to a 1/4 inch thickness. Use a round cookie cutter to create circles. Now pay attention, each circle have 2 sides. The nicest side should be facing down, that when you fold the cookie, the marble effect shows. Place about a teaspoon of filling on each circle and shape the cookie. Fold the top circle and pinch it tight. Then from the bottom, push towards the center and pinch the 2 corners as well. Now you got a triangular shape. Make sure to seal very tight each corner. It's crucial to keep the cookie shaped. To keep the marble effect, just press all the remaining dough together with your fingers. Don't knead or work the dough too much. You will lose the marble effect. Just press it together, roll it, and repeat the process. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes till it's lightly golden. Don't overbake it. Cool it completely before drizzling melting chocolate on top for decoration. Melt in your mouth. The orange flavor and the chocolate is like a perfect combination. So good. You must try it.